Recent cuts to the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, creating uncertainty for Mainers who rely on it.
So right now, Northern Light Health Systems is working to expand resources so families in the communities they serve have food on their plates. News Center Maine's Brianna Bush shows us how.
The Piscataquis Regional Food Center delivers fresh produce multiple times a week to families in the region.
It helps us get food to where people are.
Because transportation can often be a barrier for families in rural areas.
It's really difficult for some people to reach us or to reach a local food pantry, or there may not be enough local food pantries.
The Piscataquis Regional Food Center will transport just under 2,000 pounds of produce to Northern Light C.A. Dean Hospital for distribution at its pop-up market in Greenville.
I don't have a car.
But because the pop-up market is right in Greenville, resident Penny Strider's backyard, she made the trip by foot.
Being able to get some food is helpful. It's a good thing.
For those who rely on SNAP benefits, also known as the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, affordability is a concern, especially with the recent federal cuts to the program.
It is a distressing thing for people to have even more challenges put to them to getting access to food, and I would say that these changes in funding are definitely going to impact that on a level much greater than it has in the past.
Dr. Galen DeRose has worked as a family medicine physician at Northern Light Primary Care in Greenville for over a decade and says he is seeing an increase in patients who are food insecure.
I have many patients that have come through the years that have said, you know, I have a really tough time affording healthy fruits and vegetables, and they end up eating less healthy food options because they're cheaper.
However, he says resources are expanding in the Northern Light Health System to address that need, with food insecurity programs like its monthly community cupboard and emergency food bags. Still, for many, the worry of what's to come next still looms.
The challenge is getting food to the people who need it most.
To make sure everyone has food on their plate. In Greenville, Brianna Bush, News Center, Maine.
So the next pop-up market will be at Northern Light Primary Care in Milo on September 17th from 11:30 to 12:30. If you'd like to help programs like this and others that address food insecurity in Maine, you can make a donation to the Good Shepherd Food Bank. They support hundreds of local food pantries and organizations all across the state. You can donate at gsfb.org or just text the word FEED to 828-6622 and we will send you a link with more information.